Hey baddies, welcome back to another video. So today I am bringing you guys 2 more pre-algebra questions. Also, do y'all like my intro? Like when I say hey baddies and stuff, because it makes me feel like one of those like 2018 YouTubers who are like, hey cookies, hey my cookies, welcome back to another Roblox video. Like my game we're gonna be. That's besides the point. Y'all can tell me in the comments. But problem number 1. Tom multiplied a number by 2 1/2 correctly and got 50 as an answer. However, he was supposed to have divided the number by 2 1/2. What answer should he have found? This is 2 parts, as you might have learned in 3rd grade. 2-part problems. So you do 1 part first, and it helps you do the 2nd part. Same idea. So, define, more fancy, our number as x. So if our number is x here, then 2 1/2 x would be equivalent to 50, because that's the first part of the equation. It's a word problem, yo. I hate word problems. But anyway, his second part, there are a lot of word problems in the world, so you kind of do have to hone your skills. Just saying. He was supposed to have divided the number by 2 1/2, but we won't worry about that first because we need to find out what x is. So x would then be equivalent, since 2 1/2 in improper fraction form is 5/2, you would have to multiply 50 by 2/5, which would then be equivalent to 20. So that first part is basically simple enough if you know basic pre-algebra and arithmetic. The second part is where you apply this. So I'm going to write this all out so that y'all can understand, comprehend, I don't really know, better. But in a test, please do not do this. It's going to take you 5 years. Alright, so x divided by 2 1/2. So that is the second part of the equation. Alright, the word problem. It would be equivalent to x divided by 5/2 multiplied by reciprocal. So x oh my gosh. Goofy pen malfunctioning. 2/5x, which would then be equivalent to 8. If you do that little bit of mental arithmetic. Like for real though, why is that acid green so cool? Like look at the little patterns. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, moving on to problem number 2. The 5 members of the computer club decided to buy a used computer, dividing up the cost equally. Later, 3 new members joined the club and agreed to pay their fair share of the purchase. This resulted in a saving of $15 for each of the original 5 members. What was the price of the used computer? So this problem, you can go the same way as I did in the one above, but you can also use a different strategy. The one I used for this was if you had 3 new members and it saved $15 for the original 5, that means that 5 times 15 would be how much the 3 new members paid. From there, you can divide by 3, and then you would find how much each of them paid. All 8 of them. So then you would multiply how much each person paid by 8 to find out the price of the used computer. Which is actually surprisingly cheap. I think it might be broken down or something. But that's not really the point here. We're not talking about real world economics. So 5 times 15 is 75. So you go 75 divided by 3, which would then be equivalent to 25. If you divided up the cost equally, then there are 8 people, and you paid 25 each person. So then 25 times 8. If you think about it hard enough, 4 25s is 100, 8 25s is a 200. 200, yay! So the price of the used computer is 200. I think I might keep this acid green. I don't know why. And this yellow highlighter, it looks so cool. So anyways, that is the end of this video, y'all. No more singing. And I will see you all. Oh yeah. My outro. Tell me on a scale of 1 to 10 how y'all think of this too, because I've been literally doing the same thing for over 200 videos now. So anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys on the next one, plus the original smiley face. Bye bye!